Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to use TikTok. So open TikTok on your device, and the first thing that you see is your For You page. This is where TikTok shows you random videos based on what you like. So swipe up like this to basically scroll through your videos, and swipe left like this to check out the creator's profile. If you want to subscribe, so follow someone, just tap the on their profile. You should press follow button, or you could do it. So let me unfollow. If you on your For You page and you want to follow someone without going to their profile, you can tap plus sign and we have subscribed. Also, if you want to like a video, tap the heart on the right. If you want to comment on the video, you can go to comment section right here. You can also save video like this, and you will find it if you go to your profile, and here you see this favorite section. So if I save it, you will see it right here, and if you want to delete it from this section, just unfavorite it, if we could say that. Okay, then if you want to search for something, go to the home page, and in the top right corner you see magnifying glass. Here, type a word, for example this one, and you will see videos. You can also go to the section users, videos, sounds, and so on. And I think that's basically all. Yeah, I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.